Y'all, the wig is on. So we're gonna put in a ponytail and wrap this thing around. I know I gotta get the sides down, y'all. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the PK Squad. It's your girl Prettykeva, and I'm back with another video. It's just a quick wig install, y'all. So I'm finna install this wig I had before, and I had it on for only 3 days. My lips look chapped. Sorry about that, y'all. It's like 12 in the afternoon. I had just took out my hair. I had twisted. Now I'm finna install this wig. So yeah, y'all, I'll be back. We finna do step-by-step process. I already braided my hair and put on the cap and put makeup on. So we just finna put the glue, and I might do 3 layers, and we just gonna put on the wig and style it. So yeah, say hi, Zoe. Y'all see Zoe in the back. Aww. So yeah, y'all, we'll be back. Let me get everything situated with the wig and stuff. I've been bleached the knots, but I think I bleached it too light. So we just gonna put makeup on it to see if we can fix it, or we can put some black spray or something. But we gonna see. I'll be back. Y'all, this is the wig. It's a closure. 4x4, but I don't know if y'all can see it. I had this wig on for only 3 days because I ain't really like it, but I bleached the knots too much. But we're gonna spray that with some spray for the part and everything. So yeah, let's install this wig. yeah, y'all know I braided my hair down and I added my oil, K&M hair growth oil. Make your hair thick and long. Y'all check out my website. The website is gonna be in the description below. For this, y'all, it's $20, and for the small bottles is $8. But let's get into this wig. I think I should spray it first. I don't know if I should spray it first, y'all. But I have this. I might just spray some of it and then blow dry it. It's starting a little better, look. I don't know, I had used this method somebody told me about when you spray got to be in before you dye the lace part, but I had it on too long. I had it on for like 10-15 minutes. Look way better. This spray is actually working. We're gonna see what it do, Zoe's in her own little world. Look kind of better. Actually, way better. I don't know if I'm gonna do a side part. Uh-oh, don't fall, mama. That's why you gotta get down.
Get down.
Yes, let me help you down. Hold on.
Hi.
She put on her clothes backwards, y'all. She just used the potty.
Yes.
I love you.
I love you.
Mwah. Sit in the chair, okay? I'm almost finished. So we can go get Mana. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, I'm finna put it on. I'll be back. So, y'all, I got the part right here. I'm gonna fix it, pluck it, and spray it. And y'all, I'm finna put mousse into my baby hairs, and then we done. But it's cute though. I think this was a 18-inch. It looks shorter. I don't remember what inch was this. I'm finna use this ghetto mousse because I bought this mousse for $5 and y'all know how the top breaks. Y'all, here go Kay texting me. I'm about to say, she texted me already. School ain't out yet, baby. But y'all, let me finish telling y'all. I bought this mousse. It's still full. So, what you doing, Zoe? So, why not still use it? So, this how I do it. Let me tell y'all how I do it. Don't come for me in the comments. But let me tell y'all. Well, let me show y'all. You get the brush right near the end of the brush. I do this and just press it and it come out. And I just put it in my hair. But I'm finna do that, but you know I'm not finna do it on camera. Because it's too ghetto. Y'all, I literally had this wig on for like 3 days and took it off because I didn't know like what to do with it. But second time around, it's cute. Okay, so we don't get it. Oh, I got this spray bottle, y'all. We got water and my best friend. Well, I still consider her as my best friend, but she told me about conditioner and water. She told me about conditioner and water. It works better. I do use that too. I use mousse as well. I put mousse on my hair first. And y'all, it just smells so good. Fabric softener and water. I'm just trying to show y'all how I get the curls. And y'all, we need video ideas. Like, what videos y'all want to see on our channel? Like, y'all could DM K and tell her what videos y'all want to see from her. Because this is me and my kids' channel. And Rick. Sometimes Rick. But, let me stop. It's Rick channel too. But y'all could DM us and let us know what videos do y'all want to see. Like, y'all see the curls already? It's not even like fully finished. I gotta put mousse. But I gotta hurry up because Kay finna get out of school. Let's do this ghetto mousse. Shake it. And give you a good amount too. You guys are we looking. Y'all wait till it dry up. Like, it's gonna look so cute. I usually use a comb brush, but I really don't know where my comb brush at right now. Trust the process. Now I'm gonna do this side and I'll be back. So y'all, I'm back. It's not finished though, y'all. It look a little crusty up there, but y'all get the picture. I gotta do this edge right here, and then I gotta put makeup, and then you know I gotta put mousse again because you know I dried out. And I'll be this side dried out, this side didn't. But when I finish this little baby hair, y'all, and put the makeup on top and put the little mousse, I'll be back with the finished look. And y'all, I went and got my kids from school. I'm gonna let them say hi to the vlog after, so I'll be back. That is all, y'all. This is the finished look. How do y'all like it? Comment down below. I tried. The baby hairs are really too much. Don't like, but it's still cute. Tell me what y'all think in the comments. How do it look? But y'all, we finna talk about this giveaway, y'all. We finna have, as soon as we reach 4K subs, we only need like 57 more subscribers. So y'all, tell a friend, send a video to somebody, get us the 4K subs so we can start this giveaway. But other than that, y'all, my kids want to say hi to y'all, so say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Come back, Kiana. Let me show them your hair. I'm gonna show them Cookie hair. You don't gotta show them.
Okay.
Look how short she is. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Let me go call Cookie.
Stop, Kivana. Hi, vlog.
Really?
Cookie.
You almost tall as me, girl. Look at that. I just seen you tippy-toed. The lightning is crazy. There we go. There we go, y'all. Yeah, I had this wig on for like 3 days and I took it off. But I reinstalled it. What y'all think?
Y'all like my wig?
She don't have no wig. Y'all know she got a sew-in and a closure.
It's a wig. Thank you very much. It's
Anywho.
my wig,
Cookie!
my wig is better.
Turn y'all phone volume down.
You see my straight wig?
Y'all, here go Cookie. Come say hi to the vlog. Girl. Wait, let me lower the camera so you can say hi. Girl. Say hi to the vlog. She messed up her edges, y'all. But this how I did their hair. Turn. She messed up her edges.
My bow.
Back up. She messed up her edges. But I'm going to fix it for tomorrow's school. Because Zoe knocking down everything, y'all. But that is all for this video, guys. Cookie, what should they do?
Like, subscribe.
Turn on that post notification bell. And get this video what?
A big thumbs up.
That is all for this video, guys. See y'all on the next.
Peace.